Hey guys, what's up? It's time for another Friday video. Today I've got two things for you. Number one is this week's code challenge, and number two is drawing the 7 winners for my Icons 8 giveaway. Now, if you didn't enter that last week, don't worry, we're almost at 100k subscribers. I'm super duper excited. When we get close to that, or maybe after we hit 100k, I'm gonna be doing a giveaway again, so keep an eye out for that. So now let's talk about this week's code challenge. Before I dive into this week's code challenge, I just want to show you that I have started updating the badge winners and I have started creating the badges. So this is the badge for challenge number 3. And then if you earned it, you will be on this list here. And likewise for all of the other challenges here. Now, I want to remind you that these are limited edition badges. You can't get them anymore yet. They're only available for the week that the challenge is issued. Now, the reason I say yet is because there may be some special events I'll hold in the future where it's open challenge week, and so you can complete previous challenges and kind of earn those badges that you never got a chance to get. And I think that's fair because maybe you just discovered the Code with Chris code challenges this week, and so you really want the badges for the previous times, and there's no possible way you could get it. Well, just keep an eye out for these open challenge weeks. And I think I'm holding one around Christmas, so keep an eye out for that. But this week's code challenge, some of you might have done this before because I am reusing this challenge from another article I did. But it's actually perfect because this week we covered dictionaries and loops, and this challenge forces you to use both. Well, you might come up with different ways where you might not have to use them, but the intention is for you to use dictionaries and loops so that you can get more practice with them. And with the challenges, that's the whole point. I'm trying to get you to practice the stuff that you're learning with me so that you can grow, you can make mistakes, and then you can learn. I feel like you learn a lot better when you actually try it out, type it out, make mistakes, and learn from those mistakes. Anyways, all you have to do is download this starter playground, and inside that playground comes with instructions on what to do. And so I'll just give you a tiny peek into what that playground looks like. And I won't explain it all. I'll let you read it because there's quite a bit to go through. But essentially, you will be filling out several functions. There's this function that you need to fill out. There is this function that you need to fill out. And inside, I have these notes on what the expected behavior is for that function. And here's the third function that you have to fill out. And when you do fill out all of those functions, I have some code here. You don't have to change this code down here, right? But if you do fill out those functions, it tells you what the expected output is in the console for each of these lines. So you have completed the challenge if your output in the console down here, matches the expected output that I have for these lines down here. And that's basically it. So you have until next Thursday at midnight Eastern time to complete this challenge, and I hope you do, because if you're new to dictionaries and arrays and loops, you'll learn a lot. All right, so that was the code challenge, and again, it ends next Thursday. You're gonna get a limited edition badge if you can complete it before then. And now let's draw the 7 winners for the Icons 8 giveaway. So here I am on the Gleam dashboard for the Icons 8 giveaway. Now, I read a couple of comments that some people had maybe some trouble entering, or some people didn't want to use Gleam. So if you had trouble entering the giveaway, or there's some reason you don't like Gleam, please let me know in the comments below, because if the majority of you guys had trouble and couldn't enter or something like that, then I wouldn't want to use Gleam. But the nice thing about using a tool to run these giveaways is that a lot of it is managed for me. So I can see all my entries here, and I can't see your personal information. I can randomly select winners, right, by just clicking a button. And furthermore, you can visit the giveaway page and you can see how many entries you have, and you get a confirmation email and all that nice stuff like that. So I do want to continue using a tool. If it's not Gleam, then I'll look for something else. Now, fun fact is that a buddy of mine and myself did try to create a giveaway tool years back, maybe 4 years back, but we never had enough time to take it to where we wanted to take it. It's still live, but I think a lot of the functionality actually might not be working anymore. So anyways, that's just a fun fact. Okay, so I've never done this before. This is my first time using Gleam. I assume that I am just going to click the draw winners button. 7 prizes left. We do not automatically contact winners. Okay, so let me click this button. Winners, let's close this banner. Winners to draw 7, allow repeat winners, no. To draw winners from entries within a date range. 7 winners unpicked from 183 potential users that can win. Now, it says 183 potential users, but if you look right here, there's actually 294 entries. And the reason for that is because you were able to get 2 entries, 1 for confirming that you're a subscriber of the channel and 2 for following me on Twitter. So one person can actually generate 2 entries, like 2 chances to win. Okay, so let's do this. This tells me that 183 people actually entered. Okay, so let's draw. Okay, so it actually shows the emails for the winners. I don't want to put that live in the video, so I'm blurring them out. And I need to contact these people manually. And I can click this button, announce winners in widget. I just hope that it's not going to show the emails. So it shows the image, given name, and second name initial for each winning entry. All right, so I am going to click this button to announce the winners in the widget, announce without avatars. All right, let's see what happens. Okay, cool. So here are the people who have entered with no identifiable information, which is good. And I will be contacting you guys shortly. Thanks for entering, and keep your eyes open for the next one, the 100K subscriber giveaway. So that's all I have for you guys this week. I'll see you guys next Tuesday when the next tutorial video drops. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you then.